In this video, I'll show you how to use Docusign as a complete beginner step by step so you can create, send, and sign documents with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to the Docusign website, then click on the login button in the top right corner and enter your credentials, or sign up if you're new. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your main workspace for managing documents. Click on the Start button to upload a file or create a new document, then add recipients by entering their names and email addresses. After that, place signature, date, or text fields in the correct areas for each signer. You can also save your progress using the Save and Close option if you want to continue later. When everything looks good, click Send, and Docusign will handle delivery and tracking. Always review documents carefully before sending to avoid errors. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.